Hello and welcome back to my channel, Stay Motivated. This is Jose. Today we're at my favorite place in Wiregrass. This is in Florida in case you're not too familiar. Locals might know about it, might not know about it. Most people hate this place if they do know about it. It's all whoops, deep sand. It rained, I guess yesterday, maybe in the morning during the night or something. So it's a little hard packed, it's nice. And we have a little surprise. I'm waiting on Reese, and he's bringing the subscriber that won the Supercross ticket in one of our last videos. If you watch Senpai TV, he's in one of the videos. You'll see him, King Chaos. He's never riding a bike at all, and he's always wanted to. So we got to talking at the event. Reese has an extra bike, KLX 140, and we're taking him out today. So let's see how it goes. Let's get it. Reese and Kyle just pulled up. Hey, this is Kyle, King Chaos. Say hello. This is our subscriber that won last time from Senpai TV, the motocross ticket Reese was giving away. So the Supercross ticket, correction. This is the bike that he's going to be riding today, at least until he learns. And I'm sure he'll catch the fever and want probably something like this, maybe a bigger bike. He's talking about something two-stroke. So let's see what he ends up with. And let's find our Senpai TV gentleman.
What's up, baby?
Here's Reese.
What's going on? Stay motivated.
What's up, baby? You already know, like and subscribe. We doing this thing, so we're about to unload the bikes, get it ready. He's doing a few things, uploading some stuff real quick for you guys. And remember, like and subscribe, Senpai TV, and stay motivated. Let's get it, baby. So here we got Kyle. First time on his dirt bike over here on a 140R. Remember how it said? Yep. Nice. Took off cleaning. So right now what we're doing is kind of building up his confidence in the dirt a little bit. Trying to get him comfortable with the bike, so before we brave him
before we take him straight
into the trails deep in there. So get a feel, at least learn the bike, the controls, how the bike behaves. I told him foot brake, foot brake, foot brake, foot brake. Forget about the front brake, take it off if you want to. That's gonna mess you up every single time. And then get used to hitting the rear brake and sliding. Get used to locking it up. Like if you're on a bicycle and you lock that back brake, get used to that. That'll be an emergency stop one day and you won't have to worry about it too much.
That's correct?
Yep.
Oh, that was first.
You know.
No, close.
How'd it feel?
Definitely torquier than I thought it was going to feel.
Yeah.
Practice a little bit. It's quite bumpy out here, but I think I can get it. I think I got this.
All right.
Felt good.
So
Have you explained what a whoop is yet?
we're not gonna get him too tight. He'll understand him once he'll
understand
know
as I go.
what. Yeah, once he hits one, he'll know what it is. And we're not gonna make him go too fast over. I think we're gonna go an easier section, but at least introduce him, do a couple laps at least around the parking lot, and get a nice feel for the bike leaning. Remember, you're not gonna turn the steering wheel. What you're gonna do is just lean the bike and put a little pressure on the handlebar and then turn like that.
All right, got it.
That makes sense? Kind of like after a little bit, it's going to feel like you're surfing.
Okay, got it.
The bike feels amazing. Woo! Get it! Boy, I seen him, he was squirrely for a little bit.
Yeah, we'll give him a break.
Yeah, I figured I'd stop here for... Rear brake, rear brake.
Huh?
Good, baby. Let's take a break.
Okay.
Catch your breath, man.
Damn. How are you doing so far? Good? It's a lot of work, isn't it? Yeah, a little shaky at some points. Gets a little loose, but...
Don't worry, this is a rough section. When I went through this is where I learned. The reason is because once you go through the rough section, other stuff will be so easy.
Okay.
That you get what I'm saying? Because
Yeah.
that once the sketchy is out of the way, your first time, I didn't want to say anything because
Yeah.
then you'll get freaked out. But if you're just going, you don't know no different.
Yeah.
So
one thing too is we forgot to mention in the loose stuff, the faster you go, the more stable the bike is.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah.
So like if you go a little slow, it'll start dancing on you.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
that's why I was like, you see me pick up a little speed, but don't gun it. Just you'll start
Yeah.
feeling like you'll stay on top of the sand.
No, I just saw that jump out the beginning and I was like, I'm gonna hit that.
Oh, it's been too long. Here he comes. He's doing good today. Let's go.
Give him a break. He almost died.
No. You okay?
I'm good. So the sand got squirrely on him and he started like
Oh, fishtail. Yeah.
fishtailing and I'm like, all right, he's under control. Next thing I know, he goes off to the left and there's a tree in front of him. He dodged a tree though.
Oh man. Good job. I was gonna say let's turn back that way. I'm gonna avoid the deep sand, and then to stay on the hard pack because we crossed over. That's why I was like that way we'll cross up into the north side. This ain't bad, but I was like I don't want to throw you through that yet. How you doing?
One thing that I can say, you're doing really well
Yeah.
for your first time on a bike, bro. In the deep sand like that, stand up and drop your ass towards the back. To the back?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Like remember the position I was telling you?
That I didn't know. I was going more forward.
No. Yeah, keep your head kind of like in line, like no more over the handlebars, just like right above.
Yeah, you want your head right above right here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And
And then
then-
your butt back because it keeps that front wheel up and literally in the deep sand, just throttle it.
Yeah.
Deep sand back.
And then it'll keep.
Make sure I'm
Yeah, because
regular riding centered.
that's what you want to find the point. Like if you feel like you're being pulled, that means that you're not too far forward. If you feel like you're too far forward and it's lean, that means you're too far. So you always want to feel like when you give it gas that it's not pulling you.
Okay.
That's the best way. And so when you're giving it gas, if you feel like you're getting yanked, that means you're not in your position. You should be like, and that's how you want to feel. So your arm pump comes from trying to, oh shit, trying to hold myself, and that's because once you're centered, you're just.
Okay.
That's literally what you're looking for, if that makes sense. But let's get you off this. We got these nice gentlemen out here. You're alright. Turn it up, yeah.
I fucking put it in neutral.
Yeah, I saw.
I've been trying to put it in neutral for like 30 minutes,
I
and I put it in neutral when I'm fucking riding.
I was like, I think he missed the gear. That's okay, just turn it off. I mean, yeah, put it in. Yeah. And you can hold the clutch, so that way it's in, yeah. He's alright. That's in first. Yes! Yes, bro! I'm glad how you stopped! Yes! Nice, bro! He was like...
I was getting some of those fucking...
Bro, he took that turn, the hard turn, he was like...
Yeah, I was like...
Well, I was hoping he was following my line.
He did it perfect.
I
He
went
did it...
off once, but I realized I was going on the in, and then I caught it back right after.
I was like, I hope he follows me, and we just all went.
I'm getting here, the
I
pain.
like that turn, too.
How high am I supposed to stand, though? Am I supposed to be like...
So it's harder on that bike because that's a smaller bike and you're
Okay.
Yeah, that's why I was like,
I'm
don't...
standing on my tippy toes and my legs are like
Right
feeling
here.
good,
No,
but
look.
I can't grab shit.
No,
So
yeah,
that's why.
that's going to be the hardest
don't
part.
worry about squeezing it unless, like... I would say that's more like when you're hitting the air.
Okay.
You know, like that bike, I don't think will go fast enough to do that.
Yeah, you won't catch any air.
So like, and you know, like if you do, you'll land quickly. Like if your weight will keep you on the bike, basically.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I would say keep your they say the balls of your feet
Uh-huh.
Yep.
right here.
Okay.
Right on the peg.
And yeah, boots are the best thing for this.
Whoa!
Yo, I saw that coming.
You're still on the bike. That's what matters.
I know, I was shocked he didn't get thrown off.
You're still on the bike, bro. You're a natural.
I'm just trying to control it. I was like, alright, fuck. I'm
I
gonna miss it, but there's no trees here.
Bro, I swear in my head, I'm like, this guy's going a little too fast.
Well, that's the thing, bro. I was like, so I was going to try and pass him to lead, and I was like, oh, he ain't letting me pass.
Damn.
Oh, I didn't know.
No, you're good. I had
You wanted me
fun.
on front. I was like, fuck it, I'll go.
Yeah,
No,
but
you're
you didn't.
good, bro.
Yeah, don't worry about going so fast. Like just.
I was just having fun.
Yeah, you did good.
No, you did good.
I'm
You-
impressed that you took that courage. That's
The
all. I was
only reason that I didn't make that turn I did panic and I forgot where my brake was. And I was like, all right, I'm not going to over panic. I'm just going to...
Bro, that saved you. You would have hit the front brake. That's what saved you. You would have
So
ate
in
shit.
that moment,
No, I was going to go and I was like, fuck, no.
you couldn't find it though.
Yeah.
In that moment, clutch, rear brake.
Yeah. Remember what I foot brake.
No,
brake,
no,
foot
and that's
brake.
what I'm saying. I didn't even miss it. In my head, I was like, fuck, where's my brake? And like,
Yeah.
I've been using it all day.
No, you did it. You did good.
Oh, that was perfect, dude. Good job.
Let's get out of it. Let's get some shade. There's some shade maybe over there. We'll park up and take a break.
Whatever you guys want to do,
Yeah.
I'm good. Don't even, like, I'm good.
I'm
Bro, that was
amazed.
amazing.
Yeah, I'm like, hold up, I gotta shift up. He's going fast.
Yeah.
He picked up speed. What the fuck?
Bro, like I said, like I was trying to do a pass and I was like, oh no, this man's going.
Yeah.
I was like,
I
cool.
was feeling real good.
No,
You were doing good.
that's the confidence. That's
Yeah.
what's good. So what I was teaching you while we were on the stand was things like to keep you safe from doing stuff like that.
Can we do this?
Do me justice, Beatrice. That boy down. Yeah. That was an aggressive start off. So we just got back from riding the KLX. He did a really good job today. Dropped the bike maybe a couple times, but his confidence is up there. We weren't
I bet you that feels a lot easier.
Yeah. Oh yeah. So this is what he was riding. Kile X140. Got his confidence up. And now he's over there. We're ripping Reese's CRF 2023. Look at that. That boy's smiling under that helmet. That man's grinning under there, bro.
Oh yeah.
Look at he trying to get all extra. He's got the bug. He's stuck. Look at him.
That shit's nice.
Yeah.
I was like, look at him. He's smiling under them.
Oh,
Yo.
the power on that thing. Huge difference.
That's why I was like, you know what? Now that that's fresh, get a good feeling of how this is.
Go for it.
I almost slipped out over there and caught my fucking self.
No, that
I saw, but,
nasty, and
but
I
the power on it.
yeah,
keeps
pulled me
you-
right back up.
Exactly,
That's-
dude. There's been so many times where I'm like, yeah, I'm going down, and I'm like,
Yeah.
how?
when in doubt, throttle out, man.
That's
That'll keep
right,
you safe
baby.
every time. Just keep confidence. Don't panic. It'll be all right.
Yeah, of course.
So,
Like I said, it's a dirt bike, bro. If something happens, it's a dirt bike.
yeah, and today was a great day, successful. He got a good ride in, got to try out a big boy bike too at the same time. Thank you for joining us. Until next time, stay motivated, baby, and like and subscribe.